MasterCard. MasterCard is one of those stocks that's going to be very Dow sensitive. MasterCard has been in a tremendous uptrend, as you can tell by the three moving averages. 50-day, 100-day, 200-day. You can see that these are all going up from left to right, bottom left to upper right of the screen, and they are equidistant apart and all running parallel. That's an uptrend. Now, MasterCard, after going ahead and having a little trouble at this 130.20, 130.30 area, looked like it was going to break out yesterday. Actually closed in a couple pennies above. So, the stock closes a couple pennies above. Not enough to really say, oh, that's a violation. Because remember, these lines are what? Fat magic markers. They are areas. They are not exact to the penny lines. We're at resistance. Market looking down a little. We could have a failure at resistance for which MasterCard could easily pull back. If we can get the market to pull back. If not, we could wind up breaking out, going over and above. Now, the Dow obviously is not down enough to be considered down. It's only down 0.1%. The S&P is down 1.5%. The NASDAQ is down 0.1%. That's not down. That's basically unchanged. So, the Dow can easily rally up and go positive. If it does, look for MasterCard to rally and get up over the line. We don't jump in until the line breaks. Repeat, we don't jump in until the line breaks. Visa is a good, helpful indicator right now because Visa is a day ahead of MasterCard in a sense that Visa actually broke with conviction yesterday. MasterCard didn't. Visa broke with conviction. Today it is not following through because the Dow's not up. And right now Visa is in a state of delayed breakout. It's not following through. It's not up. It's down. But it's still above the line. If the Dow and the S&P get worse and Visa drops below the line, we're looking at what is called a false breakout. And that could be a very negative thing. At that moment in time, MasterCard will be down more than it is right now. Dow getting a little worse. That line right there, that 130.30, that's our line, that's our trigger, that's our stop. Okay, everybody? We don't need a lot of movement out of these things. There's not a lot of premium in them. They're both very cheap plays. Matter of fact, if you're in MasterCard already, you probably have a little profit already. Everybody good? Take a look at the options in MasterCard. Look how cheap these things are. August 17, there we go. Looking at the 130 puts. Look at the 130 puts. This is a definite cheap dollar play. That simply means we don't need as big of a movement to get the type of profit that we want. All right. So 120, 125 gets you a decent amount. I mean, it's a very cheap play. Dow's still getting worse. Hope everybody's in. All right, everybody, have a good one. Don't forget where your stop is. Your stop is the line, 130.30.